We have a familiar face joining us in studio. Charity is back.
Great to be back.
I'm so happy that you're here. You guys have a seed swap coming up.
We do, absolutely. On Sunday, we're going to have a seed swap from 2 to 5. This time will be a little bit unique because we're also going to teach a seed starting class.
Okay.
So people can come, they can get different varieties of seeds.
Okay.
And then from 3:30 to 4:30, I'll actually teach them how to plant them. So that way they can start growing something at home if they're interested.
This is so cool. And this is for all skill types, correct?
All skill types, all ages, anybody. If you're a really experienced gardener, bring some seeds, share some fun stuff with us. If you're just starting a garden this year, this is a great opportunity to get some seeds that will be fun and unique varieties, but also things that are tried and true that have grown here for a long time.
And so you mentioned for those experienced gardeners, if they come out to bring some seeds, should everyone bring a seed, or what are you guys looking for seed-wise, I guess?
So if you have seeds, it's great to bring it. We have tables, everyone just puts their seeds out, and then they just come by leisurely. We don't do bartering. We're not doing all the haggling stuff. You just come by, look at what's there, and you take something that's interesting or something that you have excess of. That's a great thing to bring. If you save seeds, if you don't have them, totally fine too.
This is really cool. And people don't need to sign up for this, correct? Or
they don't. Well, if they message me, it's helpful if they want to do the seed starting class. If they message me at Gardenia Gardener on Instagram or to the Acadiana Grows community at gmail.com, that's helpful. So then I know how many people really want to start seeds. But it's free to anybody. If you get out of church, you get out of lunch, drive by and come see us.
That's one of the things I love about Acadiana Grows. It's open to pretty much everybody. And along with the seed swap, there's another class that you guys have coming up.
Absolutely. On Wednesday, we're going to teach principles of a traditional diet. So we'll be teaching people about how to use all parts of what you've grown and raised and really eating like our grandparents ate. We'll also have a dietitian that's there, so she's going to share some information also. But come, get some seeds, learn about things you could grow. Come on Wednesday. It's at the South Regional Library at 6 o'clock. And then you'll get some information on how to really utilize everything that you're growing or raising.
I think that's really cool because it's that zero waste mindset.
Right.
I love that. I love that you guys are doing this for the community. People at home, if they want to learn more, how can they?
So if you want to get involved, go to send us an email at acadianagrowscommunity@gmail. Send us your name, what you're interested in. We'll send you out all of our invites to every class that we have. On YouTube, Acadiana Grows has videos of our past classes, and we would love to connect with you however you're able to.
Well, Charity, we love having you this Sunday from 2, I think that says 5, 2 to 5.
2 to 5, yes.
Thank you for that assist. Go get some seeds, have some fun. Everything you need to know is going to be on our website, klaf.com. But right now, we have to check in with Adam Olivier.